In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture and text in a video for free using Canva. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their video editing skills without spending a dime. We'll be using Canva's versatile features, which are accessible and user-friendly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Click on the Create button and select Video Landscape with dimensions of 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. This is a standard size that works well for most platforms. Now that we have our canvas ready, go over to the left side menu and click on Uploads. Here, you can either choose an existing video from Canva's library or upload your own. Simply drag and drop your video onto the canvas and it'll automatically fill the space. If you're uploading, make sure the video is in a compatible format. Next, to add text, return to the left side panel and choose Text. You have the option to add simple text or explore pre-designed text templates that can add a unique flair to your video. Once you've selected your text style, type in the message you wish to communicate. Adjust the size and reposition the text to ensure it fits well within your video frame. If you want your text to appear and disappear at specific times during the video, you can adjust its timeline. Click on the text box, and a timeline will appear at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to set when the text enters and exits the stage. To give your text some movement, click on the Animate button, which you'll find on the right part of the toolbar. This opens up a variety of animation options. Select the one that best suits your video's style, and watch as your text comes to life. Now let's focus on adding an image. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left side menu and select a frame. Drag it onto your canvas, resize, and position it to your liking. Return to the Uploads section, click on the Images tab, and choose the photo you want to insert. Drag the selected photo into the frame you placed earlier on the canvas. Just like with text, you can adjust the timeline for when the image appears and disappears in the video, as well as animate it to keep the content dynamic. Finally, don't forget to preview your video by hitting the play button. This ensures everything is placed perfectly and the animations are smooth. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to download and share your masterpiece. Thank you for joining this Canva tutorial. By following these steps, you've learned how to creatively insert pictures and text into a video, maximizing Canva's features effectively. Happy editing and stay creative!